Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can learn any language for free. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Telegram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Now let's go to the content of this video. So this is Duolingo website through which you can learn any major language in the world for free. And through this Duolingo website, you can learn nearly more than 35 different languages in the world. So first, let me show you what are the languages that you can learn for free through this website. So once you come to this homepage of the Duolingo website, you can click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you will see all the languages that you can learn for free through this website. So let me show you. You have Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Italian, Korean, English, Chinese, Russian, Hindi, Arabic, Portuguese, Turkish, Dutch, Latin, Swedish, and you have Greek, Irish, Polish, Norwegian, Hebrew, Vietnamese, Hawaiian, Danish, and there are a lot of different language courses that you can take in this Duolingo website. Everything is available for you for free. And what I love about this website is it focuses majorly on the popular languages like French, German, Spanish. These are some popular languages job seekers or students who are planning to go abroad look to learn these languages. So it can be helpful to anyone. If you are really interested in learning a new language, you can choose a language out of this and learn for free. And if you are planning to get a job abroad, or if you are planning to go for master's or your undergrad degree abroad, then language is one of the most important part if you are going abroad. So in that way, this website can help you in learn any major languages for free. So what you have to do is, once you click on the Get Started button in the Duolingo website homepage, you will see all the languages that are available for free. Just click on the language that you want to learn. So let me assume that we want to learn German now. So let me click on German here. So once you click on the language, you will see this. Why are you learning a language? Choose the option that's appropriate for you. So let me choose the option other here. And once you have chose the option, click on continue. And now the next step is to set a daily goal for yourself, like you want to learn the language 5 minutes a day or 20 minutes or 15 minutes for each day. So you may see this, why only 20 minutes per day at max? Because trust me, when you are learning a new language, what is most important is the consistency. You should learn at least 20 minutes or 10 minutes every day. You should not miss this 20 minutes at any time before completing the whole course. Consistency is the most important one when it comes to learning something new. You can choose anything here, just 5 minutes or 20 minutes. It's up to you. But spend that 5 minutes or 20 minutes every day. Don't miss that. That's what I'm saying. And once you have set your goal, you can just click on continue here. And now the next step is to create your profile. You can log in with your Facebook account or with your Google account. It depends on you, whatever you want, choose the option. But I'm not going to do that, but I recommend you to log in with your Facebook or Google account, because it will keep your data in Duolingo data separately. So I recommend you to log in with either Google or Facebook, but I'm not going to do it now. So let me click on not now. And the next step is to choose your path, that is whether you are learning German for the first time or you already know some German language. So click on whichever one that's applicable for you. Now the learning process is started. You can answer these questions, go to next question and complete a set, but I'll skip it for now to show you other details. So this is how your dashboard will look like, and you can click on basics 1 here and start learning the language. Once you complete the basics 1, you'll be moving to family, basics to greetings, and this list will go up till the end. So this is how you will be learning in Duolingo. And you can click on stories and hear stories in the language that you selected. It can be very helpful in learning the language very fast. And you can discuss with others through this discussion forum. And you can see here events and dictionaries. You can also make use of this. And if you want to add one more language to your list, you can hover to your icon here, the language icon, and click on add a new course. And now you can see all the languages that we saw in the home page. So you can again click on any language and add it to your list. So in this way you can learn multiple languages for free through this Duolingo website. So this is the content for this video. Through Duolingo website you can learn any major languages like Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Italian, Korean, Chinese, Russian, Hindi, any language, any major language in the world for free. You don't need to pay for anything. Everything is for free. You can learn any language for free through this Duolingo website. So make use of this opportunity if you really want to learn a new language. And to get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like WhatsApp and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.